In Keyword Extractor, users can identify potential keywords, which are words whose frequencies in the observed corpus is significantly higher or lower than those in the reference corpus. To start, you need to import at least one observed corpus and at least one reference corpus. The observed corpus is the one from which the keywords are extracted from, and the reference corpus is the one which the observed frequencies are checked against. In most cases, the corpus imported as a reference corpus would be a large-scale general-purpose corpus representative of the language of your observed corpora. When both observed and reference corpora are ready, click Generate Table. In the results, the column Keyword lists all potential keywords. The two columns Reference Files Frequency show the absolute and relative frequencies of each potential keyword in all reference corpora combined. And the next two columns show the keyword's frequencies in the observed corpus. As in the modules Collocation Extractor and Collocation Extractor, the measures used to calculate the test statistic, p-value, Bayes factor, and effect size of potential keywords can be selected through generation settings. The last two columns display the number and percentage of observed files where the keyword has appeared at least once. For data visualization, line charts and word clouds are supported in this module.